children, today I am going to give the revision lesson number 3, matter around us. Okay, first pattern, choose the appropriate answer. Dash is not made of matter, so the answer is light ray. Second one, 200 milliliter of water is poured into the bowl of 400 milliliter capacity, so the volume of the water now will be 200 milliliter. Third one, seeds from watermelon can be removed by dash method, hand picking method. Next, fourth one, lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by winnowing. Next, fifth one, dash is essential to perform winnowing activity, so the answer is air. Next is the sixth one, filtration method is effective in separating dash mixture, solid liquid mixture. From the following, dash is not a mixture. Water. Next pattern, true or false. Air is not compressible. False. Second one, liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. False. Next, third one, particles in solids are free to move. False. Next, fourth one, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them by the process of filtration. False. Next, fifth one, strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. True. Next, sixth one, grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. True. Next, seventh one, air is a pure substance. False. Next, eighth one, butter from curd is separated by sedimentation. False. Next is the next pattern, match the following. First question, breaks easily, mud part, bends readily, plastic wire, can be stretched easily, rubber band, gets compressed easily, cotton wool, get heated readily, metal pan. Are you understood, children? Next is the next fourth pattern, fill in the blanks. Matter is made up of dash, atoms. In solid, the space between the particle is less than in liquid and gases. Grains can be separated from the stalks by dash, threshing. Chilies are removed from upma by dash method, hand picking method. The method employed to separate clay particles from water is filtration. Among the following items, safety pins, pencils and rubber band, dash will get attracted to a magnet, safety pins. Next, seventh one, water obtained from the tube wells is usually dash water, impure water. Next is the next pattern, complete the given analogy. Solid, rigid, gas, flexibility. Large interparticle space, gas, little interparticle space, solid. Solid, definite shape, liquid, shape of the vessel. Next, fourth one, husk grains, winnowing, sawdust, chalk piece, filtration. Murukku from hot oil, filtration, coffee powder, reduce from decantation. Iron sulfur mixture, magnetic separation, mustard seeds from urud dal, rolling. Next is the next pattern. Give very short answers. First one, define the term matter. Matter is defined as anything which occupies space and has mass. Next, second one, how can husk or fine dust particles be separated from rice before cooking? The husk or fine dust particles can be separated from rice by washing the rice with water before cooking. Next, second point, the lighter impurities float while heavier grains sink to the bottom. It is sedimentation. Next, third point, then the water will be the impurities carefully poured away by decantation, leaving clean rice at the bottom. Next, third question, why do we separate the mixtures? We separate mixtures, first point, to remove impurities or harmful components. Example, stones from rice. Next, second point, to separate useful component from other components, example, petrol from petroleum. Next, third one, to obtain a substance in highly pure form, example, gold from gold mines. Next, fourth one, give an example for mixture and justify your answer with reason. So the answer is milk is the example for mixture. It contains water, fat, protein, etc. Since two or more components are fixed in a physical combination, milk is a mixture. Next, fifth question, define sedimentation. The setting down of heavier component of a mixture when allowed to remain undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. Next, sixth one, give the main difference between pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance, it is made up of only one kind of particle. Impure substance, it is made up of two or more toxic particles. Pure substance, second point, unadulterated. Impure substance, second point, adulterated. Are you understood, children? Yes. Okay, thank you, children.